So you've just been approved and got the Capital One Venture X. First off, congratulations. In this video, I'll be going over every single thing that you need to do right after getting the Capital One Venture X. The Capital One Venture X is arguably the best travel credit card available right now, as it gives you 75,000 points after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months, amazing travel partners, a $300 travel credit, a 10,000 point anniversary bonus, and so many other benefits. I'll be going over the things that you must do right away to maximize the benefits of this card as soon as possible. Make sure you watch till the end so you do not miss anything. Let's go over the 8 must-dos after getting approved for the Capital One Venture X credit card by Masterpiece Finance. First, you want to make sure that you hit the $4,000 spending bonus. So the current sign-up bonus offer for the Capital One Venture X is you get 75,000 miles after you spend $4,000 in the first 3 months of card opening. What that means is you must put $4,000 of spend on the card in the first 3 months that you open the card. Some ideas to hit the $4,000 spend include pay rent with your card. There's a lot of portals that allow you to pay your rent with your credit card, pay some bills early with your card, pay for any large expense such as car maintenance or any type of other expense. You could buy gift cards at a lot of places that you usually shop at, so Trader Joe's, Walmart, Target, Costco, Amazon, you name it. And you can also spend on everyday items such as groceries, food, dining out, and gas. Next, you want to make sure that you use your $300 travel credit. So the Capital One Venture X comes with a $300 travel credit, which is an annual travel credit, but this travel credit does expire, so you want to make sure that you use it every year. You can use this $300 travel credit in the Capital One travel portal to book flights and hotels. Next, you want to make sure that you sign up for Priority Pass. Now, what is Priority Pass? Priority Pass gives you access to over 1,300 different airport lounges all around the world. These lounges include Priority Pass lounges and Plaza Premium lounges. I've personally been to a Plaza Premium lounge at the Vancouver airport, aka YVR, and it was super nice as I was eating a lot of food and drinking drinks just for free. Once you get Priority Pass, you also get unlimited guests that you can take into these lounges, obviously taking note of the capacity limits. And with the Venture X, you also get access to the Capital One branded lounges as well. And there's 3 current locations in Washington, D.C., IAD, Dallas, DFW, and Denver, DEN. The biggest benefit of Priority Pass is that you get free food and free drinks and you can just relax at lounges. The link to sign up for Priority Pass is right here, so click that. It's going to be prioritypass.com/Capital One. And once this page loads up, you're going to put in your 16-digit card number for your Venture X, and then put in the CAPTCHA and click submit. It's that simple. Once you sign up, you'll get a digital number inside the Priority Pass app, and you will also be mailed a physical card. Next, you want to make sure that you add up to 4 authorized users onto your card. Authorized users are people that you trust to handle your credit card and that you want to give Priority Pass access to. An authorized user is someone such as a family member or a very close friend that you want to share this card with. They will get their own physical card in the mail, and it's absolutely free to add them. The biggest benefit of adding authorized users is that these authorized users also get the Priority Pass lounge benefit, and they can also bring unlimited guests on their own. Next, you want to make sure that you apply for global entry or TSA pre-check. The Venture X will reimburse and cover $100 every 5 years for the following: global entry, $100 valid for every 5 years, or TSA pre-check, $85 valid for 5 years. One thing I want to note is that global entry does include TSA pre-check, so personally I would get global entry. Next, you want to change the payment method on your phone bill. This is because the Capital One Venture X comes with cell phone protection. All you have to do is pay your monthly cell phone bill with the Venture X, and in case something happens to your phone, you're able to file a maximum of 2 claims every 12 months with a maximum coverage of $800 per claim. You'll have to pay a $50 deductible per claim, and the coverage is supplemental. Next, you want to activate Hertz President Circle status. Venture X holders receive this complimentary from Hertz, and what this is basically you get the highest tier status from Hertz rental cars. Some benefits include complimentary upgrades, wider selection of cars, a free second driver, and you can skip the line once you get there and just head straight to the parking lot to your reserved car. And next, you want to transfer any Capital One miles to transfer partners. This is exactly how you maximize your Capital One miles, and Capital One currently offers 18 different airline and hotel partners that you can transfer to. Some of my personal favorites include Air Canada Aeroplan, Avianca Life Miles, and Air France Flying Blue. What this allows you to do is pretty much transfer your miles into these airlines and book flights for free. If you're someone who hasn't signed up for the Venture X yet but wants to support this channel, use my referral referral link down below to sign up, and I will gladly appreciate it. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Paul, and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of content, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. The Capital One Venture X is pretty much the best travel credit card that you can get right now. And if you're able to maximize all of its benefits, it is completely worth it. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Peace.